Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up your Shopify store to sell in the USA. To start, we need to confirm the configuration of currency, shipping, taxes, and payments. These are everything you need to start selling to customers in the USA. This is your step-by-step guide to get your store ready. The first thing we have to do in the Shopify dashboard is go to Markets. Here, we will choose to add or create a market so that we can add a market for the USA. For example, let's take this market, US Store. You can see it is active and includes options to add conditions, specific or general. Then, we just need to click and search here for the United States. After that, click Done. You can set the currency, catalogs, domain, language, taxes, and duty here. If you want to set up taxes, just click the plus sign. Once you're done with this, just subscribe to this. If you already have a market in your store, you can start selling in the US right away. Once we check our market, we now have a US store. It will now be visible, and customers can buy from us. We just need to be sure to check our payments to see if they are supported. Let's go to Settings, then Payments, and add the payment methods here. We just have to add payment methods like credit cards. To add a payment method, just click Search, Add here, and pick the option you want, like credit cards. Then we choose the payment provider. Once you're done, just click Install and then set up and log into your account. That's how we set up our Shopify store to sell in the USA. With the right setup, we can reach a larger market and grow our business internationally.